What is machine learning? A simple guide for everyone. Welcome to Everyday Tech, where we explain tech without the tech talk. In today's video, I explain what machine learning is. Let's dive into the fascinating world of machine learning, a technology that plays a big part in our daily lives. If you've ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face or how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch next, this video will explain it all, simply and clearly, no technical jargon needed. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what machine learning is, but also how it works and where you interact with it every day. Let's get started. Imagine teaching your dog to sit. The first time they might not understand what you want, but after a few treats and practice, they figure it out. Sitting when you say sit equals reward. That's learning. Now picture a computer doing something similar. Instead of giving it step-by-step instructions, you let the computer learn and get better at tasks by recognizing patterns in data. That's machine learning in action. In simpler terms, machine learning is a way for computers to learn things on their own, by analyzing examples instead of being programmed for every little task. It's like teaching a computer a new trick by showing it how instead of telling it what to do. The short answer: it makes life easier. From personalized recommendations to smarter technology, machine learning works behind the scenes to simplify daily tasks. It's everywhere, from your phone to online shopping to even weather forecasts. The result? Better convenience, improved services, and save time. Machine learning might sound complicated, but at its core, it's all about detecting patterns and using them to make decisions. And the coolest part, it does this without needing someone to code everything manually. If you've ever been curious about what powers machine learning, here's a simple breakdown. Step 1. Feeding data into a system. Just like you'd show your dog pictures of other sitting dogs to help them understand sit, computers are fed massive amounts of data. This data can be anything: pictures, movies, voice recordings, you name it. Step 2. Detecting patterns. The system analyzes the data to find patterns. It might start noticing, for example, that faces in photos often have two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Step 3. Making predictions or decisions. Once the system learns those patterns, it can make smart decisions or accurate predictions. For instance, it might recognize your face from a photo, or suggest a show you might enjoy based on past preferences. Now that you have an idea of what it is, let's explore where machine learning shows up in your life. You probably interact with it multiple times a day, often without even realizing it. Have you noticed how your phone camera adjusts perfectly when you take a selfie? Or how it highlights faces and even blurs the background artfully? That's machine learning. It recognizes faces or objects and fine-tunes your photos to look amazing. Ever asked your virtual assistant to set an alarm, play your favorite song, or tell a joke? Machine learning enables these assistants to understand your voice and get better at responding accurately over time. The more you interact, the smarter they become. Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube aren't just lucky when they suggest things you love. These platforms use machine learning to analyze what you've watched or listened to and recommend similar content you might enjoy. It's like they're reading your mind, but it's all in the data. No one likes spam in their inbox, and thanks to machine learning, you don't see much of it. Computers learn to recognize words, patterns, or phrases common in spam emails and filter them out before you even see them. Ever bought something online and then seen "you might also like" suggestions? Machine learning analyzes your shopping habits and predicts other products you might be interested in. You might wonder, how does all this actually work? It all boils down to data. Machine learning systems depend on having lots of information to study. The more examples a system sees, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making decisions. Advanced computing power also plays a huge role. Machines can analyze massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. In short, lots of data plus powerful computers equals awesome machine learning systems. Let's debunk a few myths. Machine learning is not magic, it's just math and algorithms working really hard to recognize and apply patterns. Computers don't think or have feelings. They're great at logic and spotting trends in data, but they don't create thoughts like humans do. This isn't about creating human-like robots, it's about training systems to perform specific tasks. It's not just a tech buzzword, it's a game changer that's shaping our lives. From making tasks easier to inspiring new industries like autonomous vehicles and personalized medicine, machine learning is here to stay. And it's not just for tech experts. Knowing the basics can help you understand where technology is headed and how it could impact your life. While machine learning is amazing, it's not perfect. It relies on the quality of the data it's trained with. Bad data means bad results. There's also the issue of bias, where systems might unintentionally favor certain patterns over others. The good news? Researchers are always improving these systems to make them fairer, smarter, and more reliable. Did you know the development of machine learning is loosely inspired by how the human brain works? Just like our brains form connections between experiences, machines form connections between data points. It's like giving computers their own light bulb moments. To quickly summarize everything, machine learning is a way for computers to learn and improve at tasks by analyzing patterns in data. It's everywhere, from your phone camera to virtual assistants, shopping websites, and even weather forecasting. It works by feeding data into a system, finding patterns, and using those patterns to predict or make decisions. It's not magic, just really smart use of data and math. Now that you know what machine learning is, look around your world and identify where it's playing a role. Is it in your phone's apps? Your favorite online store? Start noticing, because machine learning is woven into our modern lives, often in wonderful ways. Have you experienced something cool powered by machine learning? Share an example in the comments below. Let's celebrate the incredible tech we use every day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.